Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the latest from Acemagic, the F2A mini PC powered by Intel's new Core Ultra processors. This compact powerhouse promises to redefine what we expect from high-end mini PCs. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Acemagic F2A opts for an all-plastic construction, which might raise eyebrows considering its premium positioning. The chassis feels sturdy enough, but at this price point, we expected more than just plastic. Accessing the internals isn't straightforward either, as there's no clear documentation on how to open it up. It took some digging to figure out that the rubber feet need unscrewing to reveal the upgrade options inside. Under the hood, this model features the Intel Core Ultra 5125H processor, boasting a unique configuration with 14 cores and 18 threads. Coupled with Intel Arc graphics, it's a significant upgrade from previous integrated GPUs, promising solid performance across various tasks from productivity to light gaming. In terms of memory and storage, our unit came equipped with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. These specs ensure snappy performance and ample storage capacity, though it's worth noting that the memory can be expanded up to a whopping 96GB if needed, which is impressive for a mini PC. Moving on to connectivity, the F2A offers a decent array of ports. 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C ports, and a 2.5 GBE LAN port. However, the absence of Thunderbolt and USB 4.0 ports is disappointing, especially considering the price bracket and the potential of the Intel Arc GPU to support multiple monitors. In terms of performance, the F2A shines bright. It handled our benchmarks with ease, showcasing its capability in both synthetic tests like 3D Mark and real-world applications such as video editing and multitasking. The Intel Core Ultra processor really flexes its muscles here, offering a smooth and responsive user experience. On the downside, the fan noise can be noticeable under load, which might be a concern for those looking for a quieter setup. Heat management seems adequate, though prolonged heavy usage could lead to some thermal buildup, typical for compact systems like this. So, should you consider the Acemagic F2A? It's undeniably powerful, thanks to Intel's latest Core Ultra processor and Arc graphics. However, the all-plastic build and limited port selection, especially the lack of Thunderbolt, might be deal-breakers for some. At its current price point, competing options might offer better value for money and less. You specifically need the performance characteristics of the Intel Core Ultra platform. In conclusion, the Acemagic F2A is a formidable entry in the mini PC arena, offering top-tier performance in a compact form factor. Its impressive specs and performance capabilities make it a compelling choice for power users and enthusiasts alike. However, potential buyers should weigh its premium price tag against the features and build quality on offer. That wraps up our review of the Acemagic F2A. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and see you next time.